Hey there sword fans, thought it was time to upload another video, and I have just been to the Kempton Park Antique Arms Fair and found a few good pieces. I came back with 5 new swords and they are all quite interesting, so I thought I'd show you in a video. Please forgive the voice, I am a little bit under the weather, but yeah, let's crack on. Firstly, I have a 1780s, roughly, cushion hilted English hanger. This is likely a foot soldier's or a naval officer's sword. It has engraving still on one side. Actually, no, both sides. It's not bad, actually. I haven't had a look at this. This is essentially an unboxing. I haven't looked at these since I got them. They went in a case and they've been sitting there till I finished work. This is quite a fun piece. I'm a huge fan of these 1780 style hilts. They are wonderful, and I love anything pre-regulation, as I'm sure you know if you follow my site. Another English piece, well, English style. This is a large slot hilt spadroon, and this one is quite interesting because, hopefully you can see there, as well as gilt, this has a pattern-welded blade, which you don't often see the patterns come out in European swords. They're usually faux Damascus or hidden. This one is not polished out. This is a almost laddered, maybe teardrop pattern welding, going by the terminology used for Indo-Persian pieces. It has a gilt panel on both sides. It's worn here, so can't see much of the maker's mark or anything. It's likely a Solingen blade, but it interestingly has an armourer's mark there, just towards the top, which is often associated with northern Italy. But this is a fun piece. I've had my eye on this for almost a year, and I am pleased to have got it. It is similar to another one that I have, but this one is bigger. I love oversized swords, and this one, it's heftier than anything. A Shotel. This is actually my first one of these, and I'm quite happy to get one with a scabbard. The scabbard is very nicely worked with its original attachment buckle. The hilt has a stress crack, but one of the most delightfully engraved pommels I have seen. This is a sword for a wealthy person, and it has one of the most beautifully recurved blades I have seen on a Shotel. I have just been holding off on buying one until I found one that I really liked. This one is likely not for me to keep, but yeah, it will be going up on the site, and I just wanted to wait until I got a good one to show off. The grip also is huge, and it fits my hand nicely. A lot of these are quite small. And put that up there. This is razor sharp still. I have almost cut myself on it already. Second to last is this Transitional rapier / smallsword. This is an interesting piece. I will show the hilt and cleaned this up and found a bit of gilt inlay there. It is a very hefty hexagonal, flattened hexagonal blade. It is heavy. It feels and handles like a broadsword, which would be how I would prefer to use this. It is an interesting piece. It looks very similar to a sword in the Royal Collection Trust, which was made in the mid to late 18th century at the Russian Tula arsenal. It is similar, almost down to the minuscule details. The one in the Royal Collection Trust has Russian lettering, but the engraving is the same, the pommel, the guard, and you do see this occasionally in North Europe, but I have a feeling this may be a large Russian cavalry officer sword. Maybe. That needs further research. And lastly, a new piece for me. This will be staying with me for quite a while. As you all know, I love Mamalukes. This is a very interesting piece with incredibly beautifully worked hilt. The blade is a native blade. I suspect with a polish it might turn out to be Wootz or Pattern-welded even, but I'm going to be leaving that for now. It does have a gilt armourer's mark there. Hopefully that is showing up, and I will be getting that translated at some point. This piece will be staying with me for a bit. I'm getting a small bit of restoration done, as it is missing one of its tassel rings. But yeah, it is an incredible Mamaluke, and, well, due to the organic nature of the hilt, not going to be many of these around soon. So I thought I'd add it to my collection before they were gone. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Most of these swords will be added to the website, aside from this. And yeah, if you want to know more about any of the swords, let me know. As well as that, I would say this one is my particular favourite. It is huge, it is clean, it is wonderful, and the blade is just so unique. This one will be for sale, but I want to hold on to it for a bit just to enjoy. I will be posting pictures of this with another slot hilt, which is an average size piece, just to show how big this is. Well, have a nice day, enjoy your week, and I hope you get lots of swords. Play with swords, fence, or collect. Take it easy.